Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor if you're new here. I remember telling you guys like in the last vlog I was feeling super weird, super down, and I kind of kept riding that into the weekend. And then on Saturday night I kind of just like let it all out. I like cried my eyes out to Christian, told him how I was feeling, and then I kind of just wanted to take a chill pill off of like social media just to make sure like I was actually like okay and I was done like feeling sad. My friends came on Sunday and then that made me like super happy to see them. I haven't seen them in so long and it was really nice to just like not vlog or anything like that. Me and Christian went to the farmer's market. It was just like really chill. And so yeah, I didn't post any vlogs, so I'm sorry about that. But if I ever don't post anything, like it's probably just because I'm feeling weird. I don't know what to film, stuff like that. So if you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to see in the near future, let me know. But today's agenda is I'm working from home, obviously. Oh, that's another thing I want to talk to you guys about, but I'll talk to you guys about that in like later in the vlog. Christian's friends are actually coming later today to pick up the couch. So those boxes are a couch. I ordered this couch and then I canceled it because I found the actual couch that we have. I got refunded and everything, and then they shipped it to me anyway. And so we were like, well, we have this couch now. Does anyone need a couch? So we were like calling around, asking people, and then Christian's friends needed it. So they're gonna come pick it up today. I'm so happy about it, so happy to have these ugly boxes out of here. And then once it's gone, I can like actually like picture what kind of TV stand I want. I have one in mind, but I don't know which color I want to get. There's like two different colors, like a more warmer brown, like mango wood color, or there's like a more gray toned color. So I gotta really think about like what actually will look good in there, in like this space, and then we'll be good to go with the TV stand. But I don't think it will be delivered. Like if we make a decision today on what we want to get, it won't be delivered till like the end of next week or something like that. Stay tuned for TV stand updates. But also there's another update that I want to show you guys. So over the weekend, me and Christian, well, Christian, I kind of helped him. He spray painted the legs of the feet of the couch black. They used to be like this ugly orangey brown color. I have some video clips from that weekend, so I'll show you guys that now. Babe, I'm trying to talk. Christian ended up liking the pillows. I was just sitting on it watching some YouTube. So I'm gonna cut off all the tags today, and then sometime this week or something, we're gonna try to hang this painting above, or not painting, it's like this art piece above the couch. So it's gonna go like right up there. And right now, Christian is actually spray painting the legs of our couch. So right now there's this like, to me, I don't know, I just don't really like the color of them. My mom was like, you're basically the only one who can notice the tone difference, but they're just like too like orangey looking to me. I don't know. So we're gonna spray paint them black, and he's doing that right now, but he says it's kind of windy. Ooh, it feels so good out. Okay, so the lights are on right now, so it's like a little like yellowy, but I think it looks so much better, guys. Like with having it black instead of the ugly brown color, it was just really irritating me for some reason, because I think just with the black accents that we have, like the curtain rod and everything, and then this thing is going above the couch, so I think it just looks so much better having it black. So if you guys commented that in my last video, because I talked about it, thank you guys. I went with your opinion too and sprayed them black. So it goes with like this vibe and stuff like that. So this is the whole setup right now with the TV stand, the box TV stand. But it's gonna be on the ground for a couple of days, which kind of sucks. Christian's friend is actually coming this weekend and we won't have anything to put the TV on, which is a issue, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work, okay? On my way back from walking to the beach, I picked up a smoothie from Pliables. Let me know if you guys have a Pliables in your area. They started on the East Coast. They started in Jersey, in Belmar actually, which is like a couple beaches down from me. And I got the booster smoothie. I am obsessed with this smoothie. If you guys need something filling that's gonna like sustain you for a couple of hours, get the booster smoothie, because it's just banana, spirulina, which is why it's green, vanilla protein powder, flax oil, peanut butter, and cashew milk, and that's it. So I need to start making this at home so I don't spend as much money out, but I gotta find a good spirulina powder and a good like flax oil. If you guys use any of those products, let me know if you have like a favorite, but I gotta do some research on the spirulina powder. All right, so I'm back in my favorite sweatshirt. You guys know I'm gonna be wearing this a ton in the vlog. So it's from Target. I will link it down below. It's about 12:30 right now. I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna make salmon in the oven. So I just preheated my oven, and then I'm gonna eat it with my quinoa salad that I made the other day. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. It's basically quinoa, tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers, celery, spinach, and apples, and then some sunflower seeds and red onion. And then since Christian's allergic to nuts, I just put the sunflower seeds in here. But then what I like to top it with is this. So I put pomegranates and honey glazed walnuts on it, and also cranberries. I wish I had like a regular bag of like dried cranberries to add into here, because then it would be really good for Christian, but I only have these, so I don't even know if he's eaten this yet. But it's really, really good. And then the dressing is just like olive oil, lemon, red wine vinegar, and then like spices, so like salt and pepper, and it's amazing. So my salmon is done. I'm so excited because it looks so good, and I have my quinoa salad. I might have a little bit more, but we'll see. So this is just a really quick and easy, healthy lunch. All right, you guys, so Christian's friends just picked up the 2 boxes that were here, and now we have literally all of this space. I probably should have asked them to help me move this TV like over there, but I think I can do it by myself. But now we literally have so much room for more furniture. Obviously like a TV stand will go there. I think we're gonna mount the TV. And then definitely over here, like this is such a big area. I wanna get some sort of like bench or just like a accent chair with like a little side table. I think that would be really nice for some extra seating. We definitely need it in here. Like I was saying in the last vlog, it's just like 3 seats over here. So definitely wanna get some sort of extra seating, and then obviously like a coffee table. And yeah, so that's the apartment update. But I wanted to show you guys the Amazon purchase I was talking about in the last vlog that never made it in. So this is it. It's basically like a Lululemon tank top dupe. There's padding in here. I don't know if you technically can work out on this. I'm like gonna jump. It's like kind of supportive. I wouldn't do like super jumpy things. I don't even know how much you're gonna be jumping in your workouts, but if you're doing like a nice lift or something, it's definitely good for that with some leggings. These are like joggers. I got in the color white, obviously, and I got in a size medium. So in the reviews, it was saying that you should size up because it like runs a little bit tight. But I think for my bra size, they were suggesting to get a medium anyway, but definitely just like read the reviews and like the size chart and everything like that. There's a ton of different colors, and like I said, it's literally like 20 bucks or under, so definitely check it out. I will link it down below. But it is now 6 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna get dinner started. Our fridge is literally a mess right now, so this is what it looks like. Not super Instagram worthy, you know, but that's okay. This is real life. We got Buffalo Wild Wings yesterday. Guys, I don't eat super healthy like 24/7. I like to throw in a little fun stuff here and there. So we actually got suckered in by a commercial because they were saying like they do free delivery, and then Christian was like, oh, maybe we should do free delivery. And then he went on the website and it was buy one get one free wings on Tuesdays. So we got some wings. We didn't get it delivered. Christian actually went to just pick them up because it's not that far from us. But yeah, so this is our fridge. So tonight I'm gonna make some Beyond, I cut the thing off because I needed them to thaw. But I'm gonna make the Beyond burgers. I am obsessed with these plant-based burgers. They taste just like real burgers and they're really, really good. So definitely check them out if you're looking for a plant-based alternative. But I'm gonna drink some water and start searching for a TV stand. So, oh, I realized I didn't update you guys on my job, I don't think. So, all right, so job updates. I still have my job, thankfully. If you guys are in the position where you lost your job due to COVID, I am so sorry that like COVID is just ruining everything. But with my job, so it didn't really initially affect my job at all in the beginning. We did have to take a pay cut, like everyone in the company, but then the next pay period, we got that money back. So I was riding that way for a long time where I was just fine. And it's funny, like when I was getting my hair done, the hairdresser was like, so has your job like gotten affected by COVID at all? And I was like, thankfully, like it hasn't. Just been working from home, obviously. But then literally that next day I found out that we had to move to a 4-day work week. And that's just because we didn't retain this one client that we normally work with in the fall. And it's kind of like a big client of ours, I would say, like every fall. So we were expecting to get, you know, the money from that, but obviously we didn't. So we actually had to lay somebody off and it's really sad. But my boss was saying they are making sure to retain everybody else, and to do that we all had to move to a 32-hour work week or a 25-hour work week. So that is the update on my job. I'm actually pretty excited about it. Like when my boss was telling me it, I was like, damn, that really sucks. Like, thank you so much for telling me, I really appreciate it. But honestly, I was kind of happy because that gives me a full day on Friday to just literally throw myself into like my passion project, which is just creating content, making YouTube videos, all that stuff. Luckily, with your guys' support and also like the support from my other social media platforms, I'm able to not really take as much of a hit as I would if I didn't have like my second side hustle. So I'm able to kind of recoup the money that I've lost from this like pay cut, and also gain some more money by working with different brands and different sponsorships and stuff like that. So I'm literally grateful for everything that is in my life right now, and I'm grateful for all of the opportunities ahead, and I'm just making sure to just stay positive. And honestly, this is kind of like a blessing in disguise for me because I really wanted to have some more time to focus on my YouTube channel. It's growing every day, and I'm excited to, you know, cross paths with people here on YouTube and just like be a part of somebody else's journey. So it's kind of cool to just keep growing this little community that we have on here. So I am not too worried about it, and I think it's gonna be great. So that is my job update. And COVID, you know, what you gonna do? So my boss was like, I'm so sorry, like I know you just moved and everything, and I was like, honestly, what are you gonna do? It's COVID. So that is the stuff on that. But on that note, I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night and wait until Christian gets home. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, stay tuned for all of the apartment updates now that like literally this whole wall is empty. So we're gonna have fun decorating it. So stay tuned, make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.